everybody, it's Mona with Creole Soul. So tonight I'm going to do something I've never done before. I'm going to practice making pig feet in the Instapot. I grew up in South Louisiana and we ate everything. Pigtails, pig feet, chitlins, frog legs, all that good stuff. My husband wants no part of this. He grew up in South Carolina, but this is not his thing. So next week is Christmas. And we're having guests over, and I want to practice making pig feet, so I'm going to be a winner for our holiday season. So I have my local farm-raised pig feet that I've sliced in half, sliced into pieces. I got half of an onion, about 4 or 5 garlic cloves that I've smashed, some vinegar, water, and Creole Soul seasoning. And we're going to give it a go and see what it's like. It's my first time making it, so we're going for it. Let's do it. Alright, so let's do this. We're going to put our pieces of pig feet, which, man, it is a chore slicing these things in half. So let's put those all in there. We've got our sliced onion. We've got our smashed garlic. But that's about maybe 1/4 of a cup of Creole Soul seasoning. It's got a little bit of everything in there, so I'm hoping that's going to give it a nice flavorful broth. This is 2 cups of water. Let's see, maybe we'll need more. That may be good. And I've got 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. Now, we're just going to give it a practice run and see if it's going to work. You can always flavor at the end, I feel. Especially with hot sauce. I love pig feet with hot sauce. I always have a problem getting the top one because that goes in the bag. Yay! Alright, so on the Instapot screen, we're going to do, nope, I got that wrong. Let's do pressure cook. And we're going to change that to, let's see, I'm trying to get the hang of my Instapot. Let's do that for 45 minutes. Alright, let's rock. We'll see you in 45. Okay, so the timer's gone off. Let's, oh, first we gotta let the steam out. Ooh. So, to recap, our pig feet have been in the Instapot for 45 minutes, which is probably long enough, I would think, since it's only 2 in there. So we're just waiting for the steam to finish so that we can open the pot and see what we got. Okay, let's give it a go. Alright, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Just falling apart completely. Look at that. So I'm kind of satisfied with those results. That's the big piece that I couldn't cut open. That's pretty easy to, I think we can get into that. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, so I'm going to move on over. I made some rice a little bit earlier while we were waiting. So I'm going to just go ahead and scoop some out. Oh. Honey, you want some of this?
No. I'm good.
Okay. I went outside to my garden and got some green onion. Make it look pretty. And of course, hot sauce. But before I do that, I want to taste the broth. Pretty good. Add just a little bit of, got some pink salt here. It's a little bit of a dash of hot sauce because we put vinegar in earlier and I can taste it. It tastes pretty good. Good broth, good flavor. Pretty good. Again, this was just my practice run. My very first time ever making pig feet, ever making it in an Instapot. My grandmother and mother would be proud. Very good. It's got a good broth. You could make this with a roux with a gravy. You can put this in a red sauce. We could put these in the Instapot, cook them like this, cover them with barbecue sauce and put them under the broiler. Delicious. So thank you for watching my first time ever making pig feet. Came out really well. I'm ready for Christmas Day. All right, till next time, cook with love.